Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to start accepting USDT and Bitcoin, simple and fast to use in your physical store. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. It only takes a few minutes, depending on how many products you've got. You've got two simple options to choose. Option 1. Turn a WooCommerce store into a point of sale in your store. Option 2. Use a simple landing page with a button. Alright, let's get started. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on the Plugins tab, and choose Add Plugin. Now search for Blockonomics, click Install Now, and then hit Activate. Go to the Blockonomics plugin settings. This will open up the setup wizard, and we're just going to follow the instructions as they appear. First up, we'll sign up on Blockonomics. Then, we're going to add a wallet. Clicking on the wallet step will take you straight to the Wallets tab. Go ahead and add the wallets. And this is the final step. We'll add the API key. Clicking on the API key step will take you to the Stores tab in Blockonomics. Here's where you'll find your API key. Copy it, paste it into the field back in the wizard. Give your store a name. Click Continue. And there you go. Your store is created. Hit that Done button. This brings you back to the Blockonomics settings page, where you can configure additional options if you need to. And that's it. You're all set. If you're curious about how to view your store details on Blockonomics, just refresh the Stores page in your account. You'll see your store show up automatically. Let's take a look at how everything shows up at checkout. Good. I can see the payment method right there at checkout. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, choose Add Plugin, and search for WCPOS, WooCommerce Point of Sale plugin. Install that plugin and activate it. Now let's go to its settings. In your left navigation bar, you'll find POS. Choose Settings. This is where you'll be able to enable the Blockonomics plugin and have it show up at checkout. You'll be able to enable it when you upgrade the plugin, and you can also edit more settings you want. Anyway, we'll show you how the look and feel of the store will be once you convert the WooCommerce store into a POS. First, here's your actual store. Now let's see how the POS view looks. Go to POS on the left navigation bar and choose View POS. There you go. That's the look of it. Cool, right? You can add the product and check out, and the POS system will also allow you to add coupons and choose the payment method the customer wants. When you upgrade on the plugin website, Blockonomics crypto payment will start to appear here. First, head to the Blockonomics website and sign up. Then open your dashboard, go to Wallets, and add your BTC and USDT wallets. Next, go to Buttons and Links, and enable the payment methods, just like I'm doing here. Now click the Products tab to create your product. Click Add a Product. Give it a name, set a default price, I'm using 1, and pick a currency from the drop-down. There are 150 plus options. Make sure to turn on donation mode so you can enter amounts manually. Add your product description and the email message customers get after payment. You can customize the fields too. I'm adding name here. Save your changes, then click Generate button. You'll get two simple HTML codes you can copy and paste into your page. I'm going to create a new page and drop those HTML code blocks in. Once that's done, just save and publish. Now let's see how it looks. There it is from the button. I click it, enter the amount, and the customer can pay. Once they do, you'll see the order details in the Orders tab under Buttons and Links. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.